Today, we are tackling a classic unit conversion, taking 63 inches and breaking it down into yards, feet, and inches. Now, our basic facts are that 1 foot is 12 inches and 1 yard is 3 feet. Okay, that's what we need to know. Now, I know your first instinct is probably to grab your calculator, and you can absolutely use it on your exam, but I'm also going to show you how to do this in your head. Developing strong mental math is like a superpower. It's the best way to catch yourself if you accidentally hit the wrong button on a test. So, let's look at both strategies. Let's focus on the feet first. We know that there are 12 inches in a foot. That's our basic fact. And if you're using a calculator, you'll type in 63 divided by 12, and it's going to spit out 5.25. Here's where a lot of people make a mistake. They see that 0.25 and they think it means 25 inches. But this is not right, because 0.25 is 1/4. In our case, it's 1/4 of a foot. What we need only this whole number. So we take 5, and this 5 tells us we have 5 full feet in our 63 inches. So we can write that 63 inches is 5 feet. But it's not all, because there's a remainder. How do we find out? So we know that 5 full feet times 12 inches is 60 inches. So 5 feet is 60 inches. Subtract that 60 from our starting 63, and we get a remainder of 3 inches. So it means that 63 inches is 5 feet and 3 inches. Now, what if you wanted to do that exact same step using a mental math? Instead of dividing, we use guess and check by running through the multiples of 12. We ask ourselves, how many times 12 fit into 63 without going over? That's our question. Let's test it out. For example, let's take number 4 and multiply it by 12. We get 48. That's way below 63. Let's test the next number, number 5. 5 times 12 is 60. It's still below 63. So let's test the next number. Number 6 times 12 is 72. Well, 72 is too big. So we drop back to 5, and we know that 63 inches is 5 full feet. And just like before, getting from 60 to 63 leaves us with 3 leftover inches. So either way you do it, our current measurement is 5 feet and 3 inches. But we aren't quite finished. 5 feet is larger than a yard, so we need to convert those feet as well. We know that there are 3 feet in a yard. If you go back to the calculator and divide 5 by 3, you get 1.66 and counting. Again, just grab that whole number, it's 1, and that tells us that our 5 feet contains one full yard. 1 full yard uses up exactly 3 feet. Okay. Again, we subtract 3 from our 5 and we get the remainder of 3 feet. So 5 feet is 1 yard and 2 feet. Okay? All right. Mentally, it's the exact same logic. How many times does 3 fit into 5? Just one time. And if you take 3 away from 5, you have 2 left over. Bringing it all together, and our final exact measurement is 1 yard, okay, 2 feet, and 3 inches. That's our final answer. Practice doing these both ways, and you'll never get tripped up by a weird decimal again. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.